खजूर का हलवा. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. In a pan, take 1 cup de-seeded and chopped dates. Add 1 cup sugar, half cup chopped cashews, and 1 cup milk. Now turn on the flame. We have to cook on medium flame, stirring continuously. Cook until the mixture thickens. It takes approximately 15 minutes. After all the moisture gets absorbed, add ghee. I have used 4 tablespoons ghee. Mix well. After adding ghee, the mixture leaves the sides of the pan and comes together as a mass. When the halwa is ready, it will turn glossy. Now turn out the flame. Grease a tray with ghee. Pour the halwa into the greased tray. Level it with the help of a spatula. Let it cool down completely and then refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, run a knife around the edges and unmold it on a plate. Transfer it to a chopping board and cut in squares. Khajur ka halwa is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen, click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.